Overlapping ideas. Understanding overlap in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a commonly used word in English, overlap. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means, when to use it, and how it's applied in various contexts. So, let's get started. Overlap is a verb that describes when one thing extends over or covers a part of another. Imagine two circles moving closer together until a part of one circle lies over a part of the other. That's overlap. In essence, overlap means to partially cover something or have shared characteristics. Now, let's explore how we can use overlap in sentences. 1. The two meetings overlap by 30 minutes. This means the end of one meeting and the start of another have a shared 30-minute window. 2. Our interests overlap. Here, two or more people have some common interests. The word is versatile and can be used in various contexts, making it a handy term to know. While overlap is a unique word, there are other words in English that can convey similar meanings, depending on the context. Some of these include intersect, coincide, overlay. For instance, if two streets cross each other, they intersect. However, if two events occur at the same time, they coincide. Understanding these subtle differences will enrich your vocabulary. Sometimes, overlap is used in phrases or idiomatic expressions. Here are a couple. 1. Overlap of authority. This refers to situations where two or more parties have similar responsibilities or powers in a particular area. 2. Overlap in responsibilities. Here, two or more people or entities share similar tasks or duties. These expressions further illustrate how the concept of overlapping can be applied in various contexts, especially in organizational or administrative settings. And that wraps up our exploration of the word overlap. Now you not only know its definition but also how to use it in sentences, some related terms, and common phrases. Remember, English is full of intriguing words, and the deeper you delve, the richer your language skills become. Hope this video has been enlightening, and happy learning!